We are live. We are live.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen, madlang people.
Mga kapatid.
Mga kapatid, maayong adlaw, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Kiko Estrada.
Ako po si Diego Loizaga.
Ako po si Kiko Estrada. Ang tawag nga pala guys sa live nito ay Kapatid Connect.
Kapatid Connect. Live takeover.
So pretty much what we did without TV5's permission, we took their phone and we went live without their knowledge. We snuck into the building of TV5 and now we're live and you're
At
watching.
ito yung pinaka-importante doon, in character si Diego. Ako po si Diego Loizaga. Namatay ang tatay ni Totoy, si Don Pedro. Yun yung...
Pinatay ko, hindi siya namatay.
Pinatay mo, sinunog mo siya.
Oo, kasi wala siyang kwenta.
Okay,
yeah,
si Dwayne yun.
Yeah, coming
si
from
Diego
Dwayne.
Si Diego
Sorry. Ako po si Kiko Estrada.
Nawala po kayo sa frame, closer po kayo. Ay, cool.
How much closer?
Not too close.
Oh, sorry bro. My bad.
Okay.
I'm sorry bro.
Ako po si Diego Loizaga.
Nagkakasakitan ba kayo sa mga action scenes niya? Yeah. Normal. Normal yan. Nangyayari talaga.
Remember yung unang action scene natin? Yung sa the punching bag. And then you were throwing heavy hooks na likod. Diego, relax.
Oo.
And then Sunday kicks, para mukha talaga. And I was like,
Totoo.
hindi, pero relax.
Yung pang solo ni Kiko kasi,
I had to block.
ang tulis ng buto niya. Every time na nag-hook ako,
I was like,
my whole arm was bruised.
sabi ko, Diego, relax lang. Hindi, kicks, para ano, sabi ko.
Para
"Oh,
totoo.
man."
Pero maganda naman kinalabasan.
Yeah,
diba?
it was super nice.
Ako po si Kiko Estrada. Alright guys, so thank you. This has been our Kapatid Connect live takeover. I hope you take over your TV.
I want to
TV5, thank you.
Say bye.
You take over your remote and you put on Totoy Bato.
Wait, Jax, we do this. We show the team. So,
Bye.
yeah.
See
Wait, say bye to that too.
No.
You went out. Okay. Peace. Ako po si Diego Loizaga.